Hello everyone, my name is Ajay Poddar. I am part of Informatica GCS team. As a part of today's presentation, we are going to see how to retain staging file in CDI Databricks Mapping. As a part of today's presentation, we will be covering on this agenda, overview, steps and demo. Now let's see on overview. In cloud data integration, when a mapping involves a Databricks table as a source or target, the data first moves through a staging file before being returned to the final table. This staging file is automatically deleted once the mapping is completed. However, in certain scenarios, such as when you are diagnosing the data issue, you may need to retain the staging file for the further analysis. By setting this property -d delta retain staging file equal to true on data integration service, you can prevent the file from getting deleted, which will allow you to give access to this file for further troubleshooting. Now let's walk through the steps to enable staging file retention for troubleshooting. First, log into IDMC, navigate to runtime environment. Here select the runtime environment that is used for running the mapping. Next, click on secure agent and under data integration service, ensure that the service type is set to DTM as shown in this screenshot. In the JVM option, we will add the flag -d delta retain staging file equal to true. This file ensure that the staging file is written after the execution, which help us to inspect the file content for troubleshooting. Once the changes are saved, rerun the problematic mapping, and after the mapping completion, the staging file will not be deleted. Now let's see on demo how we can follow these steps and retain the staging files. Log into IDMC and click on runtime environment and select the secure agent machine which is used for running the mapping. This is my secure agent machine. Open this secure agent and click on edit. Now here you need to select the service as a data integration service and type as a DTM. And in this DTM, in any of the JVM option, you can add this flag -d delta retain staging file equal to true. Once updating this flag, save the changes on this runtime environment and wait for the new version of DIS to get spawned. Once the new version of DIS gets spawned, you will need to run the problematic mapping, which will not delete the staging file which is created at the time of execution. This is my Databricks connection which is used as a source and target in the mapping, and in the advanced setting you will see the staging environment which is selected. So for me it is selected as a AWS, so it means that my staging file will be stored in the S3 bucket. So if you have set it to Azure or any other staging environment, then you need to follow the same path location which is configured in this advanced setting. Now log into data integration service and select the mapping for which you want to retain the staging file. This is my mapping, simple mapping, which is having the Databricks as a source and Databricks as a target. So run this mapping. I have already ran this mapping which was successful, and click on this Databricks mapping and download the session log. So in this session log you will find the path for the staging files where it is located. This is the session log, and if you scroll down you will see the Databricks query which was executed at the time of this mapping execution, and here you will see the staging file from which it was running the query. So this is my S3 location where this staging file is located. Copy this location and open it from any client. So this is the location where the staging file was generated, as you can see here, info tmp, and if you open this you will see the staging file which was generated at the runtime. So in this way you will be able to retain the staging file for the Databricks mapping by setting the property on the DIS DTM label. We'd love to hear from you. You can send us a mail to supportvideos@informatica.com or tweet us at twitter.com/infasupport. Thank you.